If you're looking to recover your PUBG graphics settings, this guide will help you restore your preferences quickly and easily. Follow these steps to get your game looking the way you want. Step 1. Open the game. Launch PUBG on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access the settings menu. Once in the game, navigate to the main menu and click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. This is where you can adjust all your game preferences. Step 3. Select graphics settings. In the settings menu, find and select the graphics tab. This section contains all the visual settings that affect how the game looks. Step 4. Restore default settings. Look for an option that says Restore Default or Reset to Default. Click this option to revert all graphics settings back to their original state. This can help if your settings have been changed or corrupted. Step 5. Customize your settings. After restoring the defaults, take some time to customize your graphics settings according to your preferences. Adjust options like resolution, texture quality, and effects to optimize your gaming experience. By following these steps, you should be able to recover and customize your PUBG graphics settings effectively. Enjoy your improved gaming experience.